How's this working? This is a lottery ticket, yeah? So you sold me for 100 rupees.
Yes,
But explain me, how do we play this? I don't know how to use this. Show me.
TV.
Huh?
Television.
Television must look
9:30.
today. Ada hawasa namaya ma. Okay, we're gonna have a look. TV program have everyday
program, right,
draw. Okay. Good.
TV 9:30.
Okay. You are selling the tickets, but before you have another job, no? What do you do before? You have pension now?
No, not pension.
No pension. But before, what was your work?
This one, earlier is doing this one.
Also, all your life you sell the ticket. When did you start? What age?
That 1990.
But how old you were when you start to sell the ticket? Vayasa hoyega vayasa?
28.
28. What did you do before?
Before I was Liberty Plaza company.
What?
Service.
What company?
Liberty Plaza, Colombo.
Colombo. What are they doing in that company?
I doing that. I done service.
What?
Service doing
Cleaning. You have been the room cleaner. Okay, and now you're selling tickets all your life. Very good. Did you have sometimes some lucky people who got the big? Did you have some winners? Very happy people, no? They give you something? No, huh? No, take it. Oh. They could give you something at least. You brought them the luck. Okay, if we win a few millions, I give you half. Believe me, I keep my promise. Don't worry. Not enough?
What? I want to buy a
What? You want to buy? You want more? You want all?
Yeah.
Okay, but then you have many. You try. You use all these ones.
Okay.
Bye bye. Stuti. Thank you. This you will sell today. How much time you need to sell this? Today, all finished? Other pulvan?
200.
But this only good today?
Yeah.
Tomorrow no more good?
No.
After?
Tomorrow, another one.
These tickets, what you not sell, you give back to the company. Evening time, this not sold, you give back.
1:30. 6:30.
6:30 you must give all back.
Yeah.
Now we learned something.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
And the following day tomorrow.
Another day you get new tickets. Wait, we make a close up. So what is this?
Go with it.
How much do you win when you actually...
64.
But how much you earn? 6 lakhs?
Yeah.
6 lakhs? 6 lakhs. Okay. After?
6 lakhs.
All 6 lakhs.
It's a difference of
This how much?
not all different. Yes.
Yeah, but there are 6 lakhs.
Yeah,
There's
6
not
lakhs.
1 million, no?
No.
10
Million
lakhs?
Million over.
Have more?
Yeah.
Where is this 10 million?
10 million this one.
I don't understand, but somehow you win something. Okay, thank you. Bye. Stuti.